YouTube. We have VW car with MIB2 system, but it has only one SD card slot, so as you might know, it's not really possible to update it for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. You need to change the head unit. However, we have decided to not change the head unit for this car, or instead install the CarPlay adapter box, which can be fitted just behind that glove box, and it connects to original head unit. So you don't need to replace the unit, buy the unit, as it can get quite expensive. You don't need to code it, remove component protection, stuff like that. What you need to do, connect your cables, press and hold menu. Here you go. You have Apple CarPlay, your original VW screen. You can control it with the knob, you can control it with the touch, you can use Apple CarPlay features, and so on. You can go back to original menu anytime you would like to. You can still use your original radio, DAB, and so on. And you can also play sound and phone calls through the original Bluetooth. So what basically you do is you connect your phone with original Bluetooth, then you go to the CarPlay interface and you play music via original Bluetooth. So no sound quality issues, no sound quality degradation or stuff like that. So this solution is quite neat, works pretty well, and it can be installed within 2 to 3 hours depending on your skills. So thanks for watching. Also you can work with you can install rear view camera if your car didn't have this one. So this is aftermarket rear view camera. No. Okay, need to check the settings. And also you can install the aftermarket rear view camera. Let me see. So you can now it's set to original. If your car has original camera, you can go to reverse and see the original camera, or in this case original PDC sensors. However, if you want to install aftermarket rear view camera, you can select aftermarket rear view camera, install the camera, and you can see the original rear view camera in the back. Now it's still the boot lid is open, but you can see that there are lines. You can see PDC information or from original park distance control sensors, and the image quality is really good for such screen and for the aftermarket kit rear view camera. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, and let me see you next time. And if you have any questions, please comment in the section below and we will be happy to answer you. Thanks, and see you later.